Good morning, and here's today's little problem. Oh dear, dear. Ever had a staircase that looks like this? Where you've had a nice new staircase put in, but look at the gap. Whoa, that is huge. Now normally you would use this stuff, which is one of my pet. Hey, it's Decorator's Mate, flexible decorator's filler. It's not the right thing for this job, but the previous people, that's what they used. What they did was stuff a load of paper down there first of all, and then just put the fattest beads of this to try and solve the problem. That was never going to work. So I've gouged it all out, and then I'm going to use this stuff, expandable foam, and squirt that down there so it packs that gigantic hole that goes all the way down. And that'll just expand and fill that gap, and it'll grab hold of the wall and grab hold of the skirting and fill the gap beautifully. But that's not my final fill. That will all expand. Any that foams up over the top, I'll just trim off, and then I will use Resin, my other fantastic product I go on about all the time. And that stuff will be my filler that I put along the top. And I'll bevel it slightly so it's filling the gap and bridging the join line here, and I'll take it right to here. And it'll be a nice like little beveled edge like that. Only a little bit, but enough that it spans from there to here, not just there to there, because then that could crack along that line. So I'll span it all the way across to there. So fill it with that first of all to fill the void, trim off the excess, do it with that along the top, so you get a nice fine fill. That can actually be sanded, but I normally put it on so beautifully, like icing a cake. The job is pretty much done in one go. And when that's finished, that will look like beautiful plastering and fabulous carpentry. And you'll think, why was that decorator so slow? Oh, it's always the way. Never get any glory as a decent decorator, but hey ho. So this is my magic tricks. This one, Resin, and definitely not this one. They call it Decorator's Mate, but it's no mate of mine. Bye.